Yeah, I'm gonna shoot my first ever black and white film. I'm ashamed to admit, I've never shot black and white. I'm actually using a modified SX70 camera that shoots 600 film natively. I had this work done by Dennis at Chromatic Parts, and the skin is actually from POLAROID. Really, really cool. The camera also has a modification in there to where I can actually shoot I-type in here via the power bar, which is a proprietary mod that Dennis does at Chromatic Parts. Yeah, I haven't shot with this in a long time. I'm really excited. This is really expired. This is 3 years past this production date, so should I check that before I grab this? We'll see what we get. So this is more of a first time shooting black and white. Also will expire black and white film work. Let's find out. Didn't know black and white film developed that fast. First time for everything, I suppose. Learning something every day. Yeah, so this is my first ever pack of black and white film I've ever shot. I wish I had noticed it expired before I went out and shot it, because I probably would have grabbed one that wasn't expired. I've had this in my fridge for 3 years or so. I think I actually got this as a Christmas gift back in 2020. Just never got around to shooting it. Now, you may be wondering, and probably left some comments already, as to where was I? Where was I shooting? Well, any longtime viewers would probably recognize that place from a video I did, gosh, almost a year ago, I think it was. That place belongs to Aaron, and he built this amazing, beautiful photographer, videographer's dream. Yeah, it's just really, really cool there. And I stopped by to chat with him. He told me to come back anytime, and he wasn't home. So I figured since I drove out there, I might just snap a couple quick photos. But I did end up going back like a week later and ran into him and chatted him up, and he's invited me back out to do a more proper photo shoot there, which is really cool and really exciting. So stay tuned for that if you guys want to see that, go more in depth into the place, take some really nice photos. I can't wait. But back to the black and white photos. Yeah, these are pretty expired. I would assume these results would not be what you'd get typically from a non-expired black and white photo pack. So these still kind of lend a unique feel, but I have noticed from other people that have shot black and white film that they brown over time. Like less than a year later, your photos turn brown. Yeah, kind of interesting. More like a sepia type. I haven't experienced that yet because this is my first pack. So I will see what happens to these and get back to you. I usually do a pretty in-depth expired Polaroid or instant photo video towards the end of the year. It's usually part of my Halloween special, so maybe we'll check in on these and see if these have turned brown. I didn't shoot the whole pack there. I did shoot some random ones later that day, and the results, yeah, weren't the best. And so I need to get a fresh pack of film and retry this. But this does answer the question about black and white film. Does it hold up? I would say no, that it does not hold up very well. Even with film that I've had sitting in the fridge that's expired 3+ years, color film that is, it's worked great. For the most part. A great example is of the Stranger Things film. I'm running low. I only got like a pack or two left, but that stuff is really expired. Production date of that is from 2019. Yeah, so it's a couple years expired. Or should I say past its prime. We use the term expired in instant photography kind of loosely. Because technically it doesn't expire. Polaroid just claims that you'll get the best results within the first year of the production date. Anything after 1 year, everyone deems it's expired. But technically it doesn't expire. It goes bad eventually, but who knows exactly when. And black and white film, apparently 3 years. Don't buy it. Yeah, interesting findings. Ooh, cutting in real quick because I forgot about this. Caleb, good buddy, shout out to you. Let me borrow his pro cam. We'll shoot Spectra film. There is like one photo in here of black and white that I forgot to shoot. He was gonna let me borrow it and shoot it for a video, and I forgot about it, and this was like 2 years ago. I doubt this is gonna work anymore, so I figured why not try and just shoot it right now. Maybe take a selfie. Let's just try. Let's see what happens. Hey, still got a charge. It powers on. This one's for you, Caleb. I'm so sorry. Taking a selfie on Spectra film, mind you, black and white, super duper expired. I want to get at least some color. What? It's black and white. What am I saying? Get that out of here, Chris. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Full spread. We're good to go. Oh, hey, there's a couple more in here. Interesting. I should go shoot this today, just not here. I thought there was only one left. Why don't we stay tuned for another video where I go out and shoot the rest of this. I don't want to just waste these because these are a rare commodity. Anyway, back to your regular schedule programming. Hopefully this video was entertaining and helpful in any way. Thank you so much for watching. Knock it out there. Make some art. Maybe consider subscribing.